What up, YouTube? Bringing y'all an unboxing of that brand new iPhone 10. FedEx just dropped it off. Let's go ahead and just admire the box for a little bit. So far, it doesn't seem very heavy versus, like Samsung boxes. So I'm starting to think that the phone might be very light. Let's go ahead and peel this nice little flap. Easily comes undone. Inside the box you have usual nice little presentation designed by Apple in California. Lift that up. You have your usual papers, maybe SIM ejector tool, but I don't need none of those because I have one on me. We're gonna peel that phone out, and here it is. The iPhone 10. Got the silver. Certain angles it looks silver, but mostly looks kind of white. Anyway, let's see what else is in the box. Your usual stuff. Your power brick. Headphones. Looks like standard headphones. No need to open this because I'm not going to be using them. And your lightning cable. Charger. That's it. Let's go ahead and take a look at what everybody wants to see. No satisfying noise. Go ahead and power it on. Let's go ahead and skip to the So far it says I get 3G right here, which is pretty bad. It's pretty terrible. Go ahead and skip through this because this might take a while. Just finishing up the setup process. It's almost done. Gonna have them pause it. Almost done. Set up later. Don't use iCloud keychain. Set up later. Don't share. Tenure. There you go. Welcome to your iPhone. Or welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started, and boom. There we are. Let's hide these messages. There you go. That was unboxing of the iPhone 10. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see on it. As you can see, I got the original iPhone right here. So hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and peace.